So, you got your sights on your dream car, your Porsche GT3 RS, Audi R8, or Lamborghini Urus. But what if I told you it won't give you the happiness you're expecting? Let's talk about why chasing that perfect ride might not be the key to contentment or happiness. The birth of a dream. Remember that poster of that Lamborghini Diablo on your wall? You didn't know how to drive? Or let alone ride a bike without training wheels? Bother that you needed one. Real bad. Or even how you dreamed of rolling up to a gas station, popping up the hood of your favorite dream car and waiting for someone to say, "Nice whip!" But in reality, the bystander is thinking, "Congratulations!" So, you get older. We go through an entire journey of saving up. Countless years of working hard, whether it's a blue-collar job, 4 to even 10 years of college education just to make ends meet and to build income to provide for our four-wheeled piece of scrap metal. What was once a delusion becomes a reality as we started researching and locking in on what our dream cars, capabilities, and imagining life with said dream car. Fast forward today, and your inner child is still screaming, "It's this or nothing." The excitement fills your guts as you sign the paperwork over in the dealership or with the private seller. Your hand throbs as you hit the push to start button to fire up the engine. And there it is. She's all yours. Your dream is alive. But instead of flowers and chocolates, it's all about the wheels, tires, turbochargers, and coilovers. You have your dream build, a new blank slate. You think to yourself, this could have been anything I wanted. A show car, a daily driver with way too much horsepower to go to Target. The possibilities are now endless. Until your wallet says, let's be realistic, buddy. Let's chat. Part of the fun is telling everyone you know, look at my new project car. And their responses are always either, bro, it's sick! Or how much is that one gonna cost you, bro? You then plan out a weekend with the boys after selling your kidney and your left toe to get your new pure turbos and carbon fiber hood for your dream car to install. Your friend's payment? Similar to your missing toe? Or Taco Bell nuggets and a couple of beers for 27 hours of back break. Now the day has come. Every mod that you felt like leveling up in a video game is finally about to be put to the test. The car does wonderfully and it makes amazing power with your new additions. All the time, sweat, Taco Bell nuggets, and money have finally paid off. It is finally time to put it to good use. Now that we've got it running, it's time to enjoy what this car was built for. The car gets taken out on track days, canyon runs, and even some light and friendly races. And it wouldn't be a great car if it didn't showcase to a couple of car meets. But most of all, the build isn't just about speed. It's about having fun with your homeboys and your homegirls, pressing the dog shit out of your limits in your car, and even earning a few compliments along the way. But with that being said, why won't a dream car make you happy? Or to put it quite simply, it's a journey of it all. Starting up your dream car isn't just about the sounds, look, and speed. It's about the journey of how you got there and the plentiful amount of adventures that you had and that are waiting ahead. Whether that's on the track, at the meet, or even just cruising, it's just really what a car or being a car enthusiast is all about. With that being said, what's your dream car? And what's the first mod you add to it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for the dream car adventures to come. Hope to see you soon.